Right, I'm filming from a child's climbing frame right now, and there's a good view of the desecration here. I'm not happy about what these selfish pig-headed developers are doing. I mean, Bullyard is just gone. What happened to the 1960s mural over there? It was supposed to go into the vault of the Herbert and not be seen again. Sod off, bulldozers! Sod off, bulldozers! Don't let this be Druid Heath, and don't let this be Ladywood. Don't let this be Martigny Place, nor Digbeth. Don't let this be Macclesfield either. Sod off, bulldozers!